What if Apple's next big thing isn't just a phone or Mac, but smart glasses powered by brand new chips? Apple's cooking up processors for glasses, Macs, and AI servers, and it's aiming to outshine Meta. Stick around to see how they're changing the game. Hey tech fans, welcome to GadInsider, your source for the hottest tech scoops. Today we're diving into Bloomberg's report on Apple's new chips for smart glasses, Macs, and more. Let's unpack this. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple's developing a new lineup of chips to power everything, from smart glasses to souped-up Macs and AI servers. One of these chips draws inspiration from the Apple Watch's low-power processors designed to keep devices running efficiently. Apple's partnering with TSMC to hit mass production by late 2026 or 2027. This is Apple flexing its silicone muscle to take on the future. The big buzz? Smart glasses. Bloomberg says Apple CEO Tim Cook is laser-focused on beating Meta, whose Ray-Ban Meta glasses have sold 2 million pairs since 2023. Apple's exploring non-AR glasses that use cameras to scan your surroundings, powered by AI to assist with tasks like navigation or real-time info. The new low-power chip will run these cameras and components without killing the battery. Think Apple Watch level efficiency on your face. It's not just glasses. These chips will supercharge Macs, likely pushing the M series to new heights for creators and pros. Plus, Apple's eyeing AI servers to rival Nvidia and Google in the cloud. X posts are buzzing about Apple's plan to integrate these chips across its ecosystem, creating a seamless experience from your Mac to your glasses. This could redefine how we work and play. Why is this a big deal? Apple's betting big on glasses to compete with Meta, and these chips can make their devices lighter, smarter, and more power efficient. But can they top Meta's success? Or will battery life and price hold them back? And with Macs and AI servers in the mix, Apple's building a tech empire. What do you think? Will Apple's glasses be the next iPhone or just a niche gadget? Drop your take in the comments. That's the scoop on Apple's new chips. If you're hyped for smart glasses and next-gen Macs, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.